So Alhamdulillah, today we are blessed with a speaker from QLD department, CFSIIUM, which is Sister Husna Mohamad Tawpik. And inshallah, today she will give us a training on Microsoft Form. And inshallah, the duration of the training will be around 2 hours, including the question and answer session, inshallah. Right, so without further ado, I would like to invite Sister Husna to start the session. فليتفضل مشكورة.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Can you hear my voice?
We can hear your voice, Sister Husna, but we can't see your face.
I've already turned the camera on, but it's not working. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the internet, I guess. So, okay. By time I think it will work, inshallah. Okay, so can everyone hear my voice clearly? Inshallah. Can we start now?
Yes, we can.
All right, now. Yes, okay. So I will be sharing the screen right now. Okay. So inshallah, in this blessed evening, today we are going to discuss what you need to know about Microsoft Forms. I bet all of you have been using Google Form, and it's not that much difference between Microsoft Forms and Google Forms. Okay, inshallah, this training will be done in a webinar style where we will create a sample quiz together and walk through the different question types. Then we're going to talk about some of the setting that you might want to consider. And at the end, we'll talk about about how to collect response. Okay. Now, before we jump into the demonstration, here are a few things that you need to know. So you must have Microsoft email lah, kan? Email. And then, um, okay, this is introduction to Microsoft Form. As an educator, you can use to quickly assess student progress, get real-time feedback, and then you can have a summary option and results from individual, and you can export the quiz result to Microsoft Excel. Okay, before that, let me recap quickly on how to create new password for Microsoft 365. I bet I'm not the only one who have difficulties in remembering all the password kan. Okay, so how to retrieve your or to create new password? First of all, you have to go to IUM staff portal, and from there, okay, you must select reset Microsoft Office password. Okay, I bet some of you already know, but let me just show you. Okay, this in this IUM staff portal, go to my apps. Can you see the web? Okay, and then search for reset Microsoft Office 365 password. Ah, and you will be channeled into other window. Okay, you can use the temporary password here, and then you can change your apa? You can reset lah the password to a new password. Please make sure you keep the new password somewhere safe so that after this you can use. Okay. Right now, let's launch the Microsoft form. Okay, how to launch Microsoft form? There are many ways you can use. The first one, you can go to Microsoft 365. Okay, just type in Microsoft 365, or you can open the apps if you have one in your computer, and then find the waffle icon. Okay, the waffle icon is on the left corner here. Okay, this looks like a waffle there. Okay, and then you can find forms. Okay, click on this waffle. Okay, and then click forms. or you can just type Microsoft Form immediately. Okay, and you have to sign in with your email lah. Okay, and you will be directed to Microsoft Forms website. Okay, so the internet is not giving the cooperation that we needed. Bismillah. Okay, so can you see the Microsoft Form appeared on your screen right now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So, uh, there are few options that you can see. Okay. After you have launched the Microsoft Forms, okay, there are new quiz, new form, and quick import. Now, let's focus on a quiz and form. So, what are what is the difference between a quiz and a form? So the difference would be, okay, creating when you create a new form, it's only will help you in collecting information, feedback, a poll or a survey. But if you want to make a quiz with scores, you must use new quiz. Okay. Okay, you can also provide feedback too on the user selected answer on the user selected answer, explaining why it is right or wrong in the new quiz. So as for today, I will be focusing on the quiz, how to create a quiz lah, because we as teachers will always have to assess students and give marks to questions kan, and explain them about your answers. So we will focus today on how to create a quiz. Okay. So before I click on new quiz, let's explore what we have over here. Okay, so there are few options. If you hover down, you can see recent, my forms, field form, shared with me, and favorites. Okay, as you can see, the recent form that I have been editing will be appear here, but you can easily just, remove from recent. Okay, don't panic. If you cannot find it on recent, you just click my forms. Okay, you can see all the apa the forms that you have made before. Okay, you can check on, or you can see your previous form that you have filled before. See here, I have fill in application forms, and you can see lah, the one who is shared with me. Okay, as well as the favorites one. Okay. For your information, we can create a quiz, okay, uh, personally or by using a group. Okay, when you create a quiz, this will be how do you say? This will be saved on your drive, so no one else can access to your quiz besides you. But if you wish to have a multiple admins, okay, you can select from the groups. Okay, for example, I have a group called LQM0823 test setters. I can click, and then I can make a new group quiz. This means the members from this group can access to my forms lah, like that. Okay, and it will not be apa disappeared once, if let's say I am no longer in IUM, so other people have access to the quiz. Okay, now let's navigate through to Microsoft Forms and take a look on how to create quiz. Okay, just click the new quiz. Okay, new quiz. This will automatically going to be associated with your OneDrive lah. You will be the only one who can manage this quiz. Okay, so for today, we're going to simply go with the a personal one. Mm-hmm. Okay, looks like it's buffering there. Let me share another Windows. Mm, okay, okay. Does it appear on your screen? A new one, a new window. Can you see the untitled quiz over here?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay, so
yes, yes.
when you click the new quiz, this window will appear. Okay, untitled quiz. So you can give a unique name when you start a unique title on your quiz over here. So as for today, I'm going to um making questions about five sorry five prayers in Islam, for example. Okay, so this would be our um title. Okay, so when you want to add a question, you can just click here, add new. So just click add new and this will appear. Okay, this will appear. Okay, we have choice, text, rating, date. This would be the answers on how you want the question to be answered. Okay, by choice or by text, by rating. Okay, if you hover or if you click over this chevron, you will see another options would be ranking, Likert scale, or if you want to upload files, or if you want to simply add a section. Okay, maybe in your form there would be like an information section, a section 1, a section 2. You just click section. Okay, okay, the first one we would go by choice. Okay, this will be appear. This would be appear if you click choice. There are question and options. Okay. So the first question that I want to ask is, what is the first thing you do to start salah? Okay. What is the first thing you do to start salah? Okay. So you can say um tashahud maybe, recite surah. Okay, can click option. What else? uh, say Allahu Akbar or recite Al-Fatihah. Okay. Uh, you can see here over here there are what do we say ni? Correct answer kan? Okay, you just shoot. Did you just choose one? So we say Allahu Akbar to start our salah. Okay. Over here you can see points and you can give how many points you want. You can click one or two. Okay. Okay. I will put one over here and then I will make this question required. Okay. Required. So we have our first question. And then you want to add a new one. Okay. We click add new. But this time I want to ask about mm, by using a text as the answer. Okay, what is the question related? Okay, let's say how many times do Muslims pray a day? How many times do a Muslim pray a day? Okay. So the answer should be in numbers, correct? So you can just click over here, more settings for question, where you click on restrictions. Okay, restriction means The answer would be in number. Okay. Greater than or equal to, or you just click number lah. And the answer would be 5. And click add. Okay, the value must be a number. So when students see this question, so they have to answer in number. Okay. What if I want to ask the student about true or false question? Okay, we can just add new again and choose choice. Okay, so the question would be about are there only 3 rakaat in Isha prayer? Hmm. Okay, are there only okay in Isha prayer? So I will put in Malay lah, Isha prayer. Okay, okay. So you can see there are option yes, no, maybe. These are generated to give a suggestion, but you can just put true or false, maybe no. See, there are options over here. Forms will give you options on how to um, choose, what to choose. Okay, so it's false lah. Kita choose false. Okay, so don't forget to pick uh, true or false. So it is false. If somehow student choose true, okay, you can add subtitle or message for those who choose this. Okay, so you can um, give the message as 3 rakaat uh, would be for Maghrib prayers, for example. Okay. Uh, okay, so the point is I want to put it as 2. Why the point is automatically 1? Because it follows the settings from the previous question. Okay, so I want to change, so I have to delete and just put 2 over here. Okay, so we already have 3 questions, and the points will be added and be shown in the title. Okay, now what if I want to have students to arrange orders? Okay, so I will go to um I would go to ranking. Okay, ranking. You see? So the question would be arrange the 5 times prayer in a day. Okay, I want the student to arrange um the prayers in a correct order. So it is important for us teachers to put the correct sequence lah. Start with subuh, zuhur, asar, maghrib, and isya. Because it is important to list the option in the correct order, because when the question is shared, it will be shuffled by itself. Okay, and the points, don't forget to change it. I will give it to you 5 points. Okay, now we already have 9 points. Okay, I would like to add another question. So we add another question. For example, we use rating. Okay, but with rating, how do we grade rating? Yelah, I will just show you lah. Okay, I will just show you how to use the rating system. Okay, so um the question will be congregation prayer is better than praying alone. Please pardon my grammatical error ke. Okay. Over here we can set the levels to certain level. Okay, the lowest would be 2 lah. 2 star or 4, and the most would be 10. Okay. So the symbol as well can be changed. We can choose 1 to 5. We can have the heart, ribbon, and thumbs up, smiley face, whatever you want. Okay, so I would go to number, and then over here I would label. Okay, number one as strongly disagree. Number five would be strongly agree. Okay, so the points would be 1 point. Okay, so uh, whatever student answer, they will get 1 point. But I'm just showing you on how to make apa ranking question with rank. Okay, now let's preview our question. Okay, over here, if you click on preview, this option will let you to see the answers are in correct order or not. Okay, what is the first thing you do to start solah? So you say Allahu Akbar. Okay, let's say you put how many times to a Muslim pray a day? You put three. Okay, let's see if it's wrong. Okay, are there only three raka'ah? True, for example. Okay, and then okay, this one we make it correctly lah. Subuh, Zuhur, Asar, Maghrib, Isyak. Okay, and then congratulations, and then you song okay, okay. Then you submit. Okay, you submit. Uh, The person who answered the question can see the results. For example, okay, it will show you uh your incorrect answers lah, incorrect question. How many times? So the correct answer would be 5. Okay. The feedback would be the keyword would be for Maghrib prayers, so on and so forth. Okay. Okay. Until this part, is it clear? Do I have to repeat in any part before we choose the style option? Can I see some love if I can proceed with the presentation?
Ustazah Husna.
React. Send a react.
Macam mana nak buat tu?
Adalah kelas saya akan tanya budak. Okey, Ustazah nak tengok. Bagi Ustazah love sikit. Sebelum Ustazah pergi soalan seterusnya. Lepas tu budak-budak akan tekan love tu lah kat atas tu. Ada react. Perasan tak ada react tu? Ada tepuk tangan. Kan? Boleh tak? Tak ada.
Nampak yang react gambar smiley face tu kan?
Kat situ. Okey, cuba tekan. Okey, nampak ada seorang react. Ustaz Waiz tanya soalan ke? Tengah react tu.
Dapat dah. Buat react tu lah.
Oh, react. Oh, okay. Okay, so kita tengok now we go to how to style our form. Okay. You can click on style and you can see several choices over here. Because of my poor internet connection, it's not appeared well lah. But you can change the style, or even you can choose different colors. Okay. If you wish to apa ya, select different background, you can simply just change the title. For example, you just write flowers, and the web will generate an AI styles for flowers. So you just click on flowers, for example, but then you can just change lah back the question. Okay, you just want to have the apa background changed, background style in different options. You see? Okay, you can have several backgrounds appeared, for example. Okay, all right. Then, if you want to ask students in class, you can use the option present. Okay. This option will apa ya It's the same as quizzes and Kahoot actually. Quizzes and Kahoot. It will allow you to ask student in a live feedback option lah. Macam kalau kita nak tanya budak-budak dalam kelas kan, kita boleh guna present ni. Just share mana tadi? Ni share QR ni kan. Lepas tu student akan ramai-ramai masuk dan cuba jawab. So kita boleh terus access student. Ini kalau kita buat quiz lah dalam kelas, kalau bukan test. Okay. Kalau nak kita nak share kepada student untuk test pula. Okay, macam mana kita nak buat? Sorry. Okay, kita akan pergi ke 3 dots kat sini. Tekan setting. Okay, it will show you option for quiz. Okay. Show result automatically. Okay, respondent will see their result and correct answers. Macam tadi, kan boleh nampak terus apa yang salah. Kalau tak nak, just unclick lah, unchoose. Okay, who can fill out this form? If you choose anyone can respond, it will be anonymous. So it does not require any sign in. Kalau anonymous, teachers kena letak lah nama ataupun email ataupun siapa-siapalah. Kalau tak, kita kena pastikan pelajar ada email live. Kena ada email Microsoft tu lah. Kan? Dia akan record name and kalau kita pilih one response per person, dia akan boleh jawab sekali sahaja. Kan? Kalau kita sekarang ni kita nak pilih listening test, tak nak guna papers kan contoh. Kalau macam tu kita kena pastikan pelajar tahulah email dan juga password. Sebab selalunya teringat. Kan? Kalau tak nak ada masalah tu just buat je anyone can respond. Tapi tambah nama dengan email supaya kita boleh record lah student punya nama, email dengan matric number. Okay. So option for responses, accept responses, kita boleh setkan date bila, pukul berapa sampai pukul berapa. Contoh, for example listening test would be 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes. So 4 PM until 4:15 or 4:20, 4:30. So the least time would be 15 minutes. Okay, the most boleh sampai tengah malam lah macam tu. Okay, or you can set the time duration for how many minutes. Okay, how many minutes your quiz would be? 30 minutes, 20 or 15. Okay, kalau listening test, kita tak boleh lah shuffle question, betul tak? Sebab kita kena dengar by turutan. So, just untick lah. Okay, disable question number ni tak perlu. Hide submit another response kalau tak nak pelajar submit another response. Okay, and we can customize thank you message. Kita boleh lah tulis. Kalau Arabic, kita tulis lah. Ma'atamaniyyatina lakum ke kan? Ataupun Bitaufiq wan najah. Contoh. Kalau nak tulis customize. Okay. Allow respondent to save their responses. Kalau kita nak bagilah pelajar simpan respon diorang. Okay. Allow receipt of responses after submission. Get email notification of each response. Contoh. So, teachers boleh try mock listening dulu ke, bukan buat test. Kalau kita nak betul-betul buat test kan, saya rasa saya cadangkan kita kena try dululah yang anyone can respond yang only people ni. Sebab kalau tak macam, kalau student kan tak semua kan yang macam cakna dengan email ke password ke, susah juga kalau kita just tekan ini kan. Record name and one respond ni pun. Okay. Kalau anyone can respond ni macam senang sikit lah. Kalau nak mudahkan, maksudnya kita tak nak pada hari kejadian periksa tu tak ada siapa boleh jawab macam tu. Begitu. Okay. So setakat ni boleh ke?
Boleh Ustazah, cuma awak nak ask something. Okay, cik cakap English pula. Apa dah?
Ya.
Macam mana nak tambah nudif surah dekat
Ha ha
soalan
ha.
tu. Nudif surah
Okay,
dekat
good
soalan.
question. Good question. Okay. So let's get back to the home page untuk forms ni kan. Okay, as you can see here, we can quickly import question actually. Upload from this device, select a Word or PDF file. Okay, so saya boleh je upload daripada komputer saya. I can directly upload a question kan about 5 times raya in Islam, and then collect quick survey or form response or quiz. Okay, so I have chosen a word, tekan quiz lah. So it will convert my word into a form. Okay, baik. للأسف الشديد هذا الاختيار للغة الإنجليزية فقط. Okay, this option is made easier for apa nama? English. See? Kan? Okay, ada yang salah. Okay, so this one salah kan? So kita kena baikilah benda ni. Kan? Uh, so kita buat soalan baru macam tu. Okay. I actually have tried to do the quick import untuk bahasa Arab. Tapi nak tengok tak dia jadi macam mana. Dia jadi macam ni. Dia keluar-keluar. Quick import tu kan dia jadi bersepah-sepah. Nampak? Dia kata uncertain conversion results. Macam ni jadi kan. Dia macam tidak membantulah kita para asatizah untuk buat soalan. Satu je soalan yang jadi. Satu je yang jadi. Tak boleh nak buat juga. So, sekarang kita nak buat soalan untuk kita tengok option. Kalau kita tak boleh nak tulis macam mana, kita kena convert kepada pictures lah. Kan? Apa ni? Teachers QLD kami tak boleh nak tulis bahasa Arab. Okay, kalau kita tulis bahasa Arab pun kan dia macam tak nampak kan yang macam tadi tu. So kita buat macam mana? Kita akan tambah gambar. Okay, saya akan tunjukkan sampel. Bukan yang ni. Sorry. Okay, sampel untuk imtihan al-istima'. Macam ni kita nak tambah gambar kan? Okay, so yang tadi tu, alamak lambat pula dia keluar. Kita boleh tambah gambar dekat title, kita boleh tambah gambar dekat section dengan soalan dan juga jawapan. Okay, first thing first kita kena buat adalah bagi asatizah QLD ataupun siapa-siapa lah kan, kita kena crop siap-siap soalan, jawapan. Saya sharekan ni. Okay, kita kena cropkan siap-siap soalan dan jawapan. Okay. Okay. So, kita cropkan siap-siap. How to insert question as pictures kan. Okay, kita crop siap-siap guna snipping tool atau screenshot kan. Pandailah asatizah buat. Tapi saya cadangkan guna snipping tool ni senang sebab kita just boleh guna gunting ni. We can use this scissor to crop specifically which question and answers. And then we gather all the pictures in specified folders. Okay, after we have cropped all the question and answers, okay, go to forms and click on the icon to insert pictures. You can see over here, this icon. Kita just add je dekat dalam tu. Okay, add je. Okay, contohnya macam ni. Okay. Sampel imtihan al-istima'. Ini contoh. Okay, nampak kan? Okay. Kat sini. Okay, dia tak keluar lah pula gambar dia. Okay, kat sinilah kita akan buat. Okay, kita ada soalan satu. Lepas tu, kita tambahkan. Okay, sini kan. Show text. Okay, kau dekat sini. Kita tekan insert, paste or drag media. Kita klik. Kita insert image. Okay, upload. So, kita pilih lah gambar yang kita dah letak dekat dalam folder khas kita tu kan. Okay, lepas tu question. You can actually write down the question as well. But sebagai contoh kan, يتمتع الضيوف بالأطعمة. Okay, saya tulis. يتمتع الضيوف بالأطعمة apa? Fil baitil maftuh. Dia terlalu kecil. Kan? Dia terlalu kecil jadi tak nampak. Jadi kita kenalah add juga question. Add juga gambar. Contoh macam ni lah. At-tulab apa fi qa'atin wasi'atin. Macam tu. So, itulah cara macam mana kita nak add pictures. Kat dalam section pun kita boleh add gambar. Contoh kan kita ada, we have a soal awal wa soal sani. We have the first part and the second part of the question. Okay. If you want to add a new section, just go here, section, and then click insert image for the second part of the question. Okay, section 2, for example. So, add pictures of the question. Okay, listen to the question and then so far. My internet is not giving cooperation that it should be. But you get the idea. Ustaz Maiz? Nampak ke macam mana cara dia?
Nampak.
Macam tu lah. Okay, for section and question as well as answers, we can add pictures. Okay, we can add pictures. Okay, sebagai contoh soalan lain kan, kita buat soalan tentang, kita tambahkan jawapan dekat, apa nama? Soalan, kita dekat jawapan pula. Okay, so click new question. Sorry ya. Hujan ni, biasalah dia lambat sikit. Okay. So, saya akan uploadkan soalan lain yang ada pilihan sebagai contoh. So, dekat option ni, kan kita ada beberapa option. We have several options. Just insert image as well. Even though it is a true or false question, you can just simply choose the right symbol and the wrong symbol, the true false symbol tu. So that student can see which one would be the answer kan. Okay. So tak nampak sangat lah. Tapi you get the idea. Okay, macam mana kita nak tambah lah. So boleh tambah dekat sini. Just click kat insert, paste and drag media. Macam tu. Okay. What else? Okay, if you just want to collect information or polls or feedback, you just click the new form lah. Contoh macam you want to ask your colleague if they want to participate in your program. For example, kan the sports unit who wants to register for register their participation in any tournament. You can use a Microsoft form as new form and not quiz. Like that. So, I think that's all that I can share with you guys. Hmm. Oh, yeah, responses. Okay. Now let's take a look at responses. From this option, we can see how many response that we received, and we can open in Excel, as in we can take a look at the results or responses in Excel. Okay. Now we can see how many people answer the question. Okay. And if they answer it correctly or not. Okay. Now I will share the question in the chat box. I want you to try answering the question, and we can see how the response would change. Copy paste. Alamak. Copy link. Okay. Can you see the link? Okay. Try to answer the question. And let's see the response. Or you can just use this QR.
Ustazah macam tutup dia punya response, so cannot be tak boleh
Oh, tak
masuk.
boleh. Tak boleh masuk.
Dia
But it
tulis
doesn't require sign in.
this form is currently
Ah,
responses, dia tulis.
okay. Oh, this one ke? No, this not option. Accept responses. This one. Okay, sorry. Saya undo date ni. Kita kena undo date tu. Kalau kita tak undo, nanti dia, apa nama? Kita tak boleh share. Sorry. Okay, kita kena untick start date dengan end date tadi. Okay, kita try lagi sekali. Response. Send and collect. Copy link. Shorten URL. Bukan ni kan, ni collaborators.
Now I think we can fill in the form.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Dah boleh dah? Alright, okay.
The second link tu.
Okay, cuba. Boleh tak? Sementara saya cuba, I will try to upload the pictures again for question number 5. Can you fill in the form?
Yes.
Okay. So I will wait for your responses. Thank you. Yes, Sister Shah.
Assalamualaikum Ustazah. Sorry nak tanya.
Waalaikumsalam. Ya, saya.
Macam mana kita nak isi borang tu tanpa sign in email?
Apa sign in email?
Boleh ke?
Dia sign in email dekat setting tadi. Anyone can respond tu.
Tapi kita orang dah buat yang Microsoft Form ni. Tapi bila dia dekat PC yang kita dah memang tu okey. Tapi kalau dekat phone tak boleh kat mobile device.
Oh, walaupun dah pilih anyone can respond tu ke?
Betul. Ada setting lain ke yang
macam kalau yang tadi ni kan, yang tadi ni tak perlukan untuk apa nama? Untuk masukkan tadi yang soalan ini.
yang soalan yang buat ni tak perlu. Tapi kalau yang kita generate sendiri, buat sendiri memang perlukan.
Sister guna email, do you use email IIUM ke? Bukan.
Email
Mestilah
IIUM. Betul. Betul.
Mestilah kan. How sebabnya saya pun saya pun belum guna dekat kelas lagi. Tapi setakat ni lah kan, kalau kita tekan anyone respond, siapa-siapa boleh.
Dia perlukan Microsoft login tu. Kalau kita guna dekat mobile, ada and certain laptop pun dia tak boleh masuk, tak boleh pakai email.
I see. Oh, saya pun tak pastilah sistem macam mana nak buat sebab sekarang ni yang kita buat tu sementara ni masih boleh kan? Tak try lagi yang tak boleh. Tapi kalau boleh tengok dekat setting tu lah lagi kan. Tapi itulah saya pun tak ada tindak jawab macam mana.
Alright, tak apa. Terima kasih. Sorry.
Sama. Okay, so kita tengok respon. Feedback. Okay, dah ada 10 response kan kat sini. Kita nampak. Okay. Okay, you can just click open in Excel and all the information will be transferred there lah. Okay, so berapa orang yang jawab betul, berapa orang jawab salah lah. Gitu. Okay, now we click on open in Excel. So, dia akan appear semua. Tapi macam saya cakap tadi lah, we choose the option apa nama? As anonymous. So, tak ada nama kat situ kan? Give a compliment. Yelah, jomlah kita beri compliment kat dia. Okay, so it will appear on your download history. So click on there and your Excel will show you the response. Okay. So I think that's all from me. InsyaAllah. With limited internet access and apa nama? Knowledge that I have, I think that's all from me that I can share. If I can have a question.
Yeah. Right. So anyone who have any question, feel free to ask.
Because it's not that difficult lah. Some might feel like it is quite intimidating. Ya kan, macam canggih sangat je tak, but it's not that difficult. It's just the same as Google Form pun sebenarnya. It's not that difficult lah for me.
Nak tanya soalan Ustazah? Okay, kalau berkaitan contoh, we are using Microsoft, right? So, if we allow to open yang kat setting macam Ustazah kata, and then suddenly the student using Gmail, so dia akan dapat access ke tak?
Kalau yang anonymous tadi, boleh tak?
Yes, tu maksud saya.
Boleh kan?
Boleh ke?
Tapi Boleh. Cuma we have to add lah. We have to add macam nama dengan email tadi tu. Contoh kan kat sini kan. Kat sini tadi. We have to add section. Add insert new lah. Insert new. Okay, section. Okay, dekat section ni. We have students information. Okay. So insert new text, name, full name, and then required metric number, macam tu. Metric number, required, over here, restriction for numbers. So the value tu number saja. Kan? Lepas tu kita letak kat atas. We put this one. Move section ke atas lah. Dan so kalau student pakai Google Form pun dia kena isi benda ni. Kalau dia orang maksudnya dia orang tak pakai email live, dia orang isi nama dan metric number kat sini. So maklumat tu adalah masih ada tentang student. Macam tu kat sini. Okay, kalau kat sini kan nampak macam ada, tiba-tiba tu dah masuk soalan kan. Okay, kita just add insert new section sini. Answer all questions. Okay, so this will separate between the information and the questions macam tu.
Okay, Ustazah, soalan Ustazah. Yang bahagian section tu kan, section 1 section 2, kan contohlah katakan in listening, we have 2 section. One section for right and false. The second section untuk yang pilih jawapan yang betul. So katakanlah kita nak tukar yang section 1 jadi section 2 dan section 2 jadi section 1. Boleh kita tarik macam yang Google Form tu?
Boleh. Macam ni, pergi dekat sini kan. Okay, move section ke bawah lah. Macam tu. Just tekan ni. Macam ni, ke bawah. So dia akan ubah terus. Section 3, student information, answer all question macam tu. Nanti the question that followed the section will be transferred as well. Dia akan ke bawah lah. Nampak? Soalan tu akan ke bawah. Begitu.
Okay.
Kalau kita nak padam pun boleh. Contoh kan kita annoyed dengan tadi mana ada section, tiba-tiba ada section 2, tak silap saya tadi kan yang tiba-tiba je dia ada tu. Sini kan. Tiba-tiba section 2 ni ada out of nowhere. Kita just tekan remove section. Tapi kita tak nak buang soalan dia, kita just section. So the section will be disappeared. Macam tu. Kenapa kena give a compliment ni? Okay, macam tu lah. Nampak ya?
Alright.
Okay, any question?
Alright. So, any more question?
Banyak pula tanya. Okay, boleh kita have any solution yang about the case yang sister tanya tadi tu, yang dia kata suddenly ada yang guna phone and then tiba-tiba dia kata tak dapat jawab. Boleh tak kita sebab takut berlaku time kita buat exam.
All I can say is we have to do a mock listening test lah macam tu. Kena buat satu macam proper macam semua orang kena test kat kelas juga. Faham tak? Untuk dia try. Kan contoh dekat sini ada option dekat preview tu kan. Dia preview komputer dengan mobile sebenarnya. So dekat mobile dia akan appear macam ni. Sepatutnya lah.
Tadi pun saya reply
Kan?
nama balik tadi. Okey je.
So mungkin Sister Syah tadi boleh maybe tekan dekat sini kot, dekat mobile ni. Sebab kami pun belum cuba dekat kelas lagi. Macam itulah. So memang kena buat mock trial dulu dalam kelas. Macam tu.
Okey.
Okay, anything else? Kenapa dia tak nak pergi benda ni? Give a compliment. Good interface. Submit. Okay dah. Okay.
Okay, any question?
So it's raining dogs, cat and dogs outside. Tengah lebat kat tempat saya ni.
Alright, so I think there's no more question, right? And yeah, thank you very much, Sister Husna, for this fruitful and insightful session. And I hope this training will be beneficial to all of us, inshallah, in the future. Right, and thank you everyone for your participation in this training. And we look forward to see you again next time, inshallah. And yeah, please kindly fill in the evaluation form, as your feedback will help us to improve in the future, inshallah. And for your information, the recorded version of this training will be uploaded in Salpad e-learning one-stop center. Right, so feel free to visit the website. And before we dismiss, let us end our session with the recitation of Tasbih Kafarah and Surah Al-Asr. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika. Alright, thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you everyone.